What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Diwali preparation vlog. So very recently I posted my vacation preparation vlog and I got a really good response on that. So I thought I should do like a Diwali version of it. In today's video, I'm not going to be doing like my hair, makeup, outfit for Diwali. That's going to be a separate video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all the preparations, like the things that I do before Diwali to get ready for Diwali. Now, I do have a to-do list as always, but this time's to-do list is very like short, but it's very brief. So there are only 4 pointers. So the first one is that I need to clean. I need to do some Diwali cleaning. That's pretty much like basic. Everyone needs to do that. Then I need to get my Diwali outfit in place. This is like the most important one, like in terms of priorities. I need to get that done ASAP. I'll probably go and do that tomorrow itself. I am going to be making an outfit from scratch. I'll share all the details with you guys in a little bit. So that's number 2. Number 3, I'm going to be hosting a Diwali party this year. ऐसा plan तो है at least. Actually काफी हद तक होने ही वाला है. So Diwali party के लिए मुझे prep करके रखना है. Like I need to do decor, then I need to figure out if I'm doing any sort of like party favors, and if I'm gonna be, I mean we are actually gonna be playing 3 patti, so I need to order the set. So all of those like minute details that I need to do, and I'll share with you guys the decor ideas that I have in mind that maybe you could also imply. And the last thing on my to-do list is a fun one. It's a fun pampering session. Now I already did this morning and I'm gonna share my experience with you guys. Okay, so this morning I got a facial done, a really relaxing head massage, and I also got my hands and feet waxed. And I did all of this at home using Urban Company. I feel like everyone has heard about Urban Company, but there are certain myths that everyone has. I personally had a few. Like the first one that I had was that it's going to leave behind a huge mess in my house. Like sure, it's going to be very, very convenient that people come to my house and offer me my services that I want, but it's going to leave my house in a mess. Well, that's actually not true because they do a really, really good job at cleaning everything up after themselves. And they also carry like these cover-ups for them to like lay on top of your furniture, so your furniture also won't get messed up. Not just that, they also carry like a small stool with them. They have an extension cord, so you're gonna have to provide absolutely nothing for your service. The second misconception that I had was that it's going to be very expensive as compared to like a local salon. Now again, that's not true as well because they have 3 different categories for you to choose from. So you can either go for a classic one, or you can do a prime or a luxe. So it really depends on your preference. If you want to go the affordable route, you can definitely check out the classic services that they have. Now talking a little bit more about my experience, I started off with waxing. I got my full legs and full arms waxed and it feels so good to be waxed. I have been shaving because of COVID, but I personally love waxing my body. So the professional who did my waxing was very, very quick. It was very painless, and most importantly, it was very, very hygienic. I'm a sucker for head massages, so I had to get a head massage done, and that way I was able to take care of my hair also. With the waxing process, I was able to take care of my entire body. With the head massage, I would take care of my hair. Now again, the professional was really skilled. Like it was so relaxing, very de-stressing. She knew how to like give me a proper head massage, like relax me. So I really enjoyed it. And lastly, for my face, I got a wine facial done. So all the products that she actually used did smell like wine and grapes. So this facial was not only beneficial to my skin, but it also was very de-stressing and very relaxing. I'm gonna book one for my mom ASAP. So overall, I had a really good experience. It's so convenient to call someone at home. If you're someone who's a multitasker, if you don't have a lot of time in your hands, it's so nice for someone to come into your house, into your space and offer services. And also above all of this, if you're someone who isn't comfortable going to a salon, a crowded salon, I think this is the perfect solution because the professionals who do come in home are always wearing a mask. They have their gloves on. So I think this is a really good idea for you guys. I'm going to be leaving their link, their app's link in the description box below. So definitely go check it out if you're interested. So another day, another task. My main task for today is to give my Diwali outfit for stitching. Because अगर मैंने आज सिलाने नहीं दिया, मुझे दिवाली के पहले बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलेगा. और actually मुझे तो दिवाली के एडवांस में चाहिए because I want to film like a get ready with me and like show you guys my outfit. I did consider making like an entire entire outfit from scratch video, but I've already made so many of those, and B, I am going to be making a lot more of those in the future as well because of the whole shadi season that's going to be coming up. So I thought I should take a small break and just give you guys a little bit of a glimpse in this video. Now my thought for the outfit is that I want to wear something dark blue. Like I want to wear like a really beautiful deep blue. And also one more thing, I'm going to be matching with my entire family. So my mom, my dad and me are going to be wearing the same outfit, like एक ही कपड़े का outfit बनाने का ऐसा मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल है. Now it could go two very different directions. It could look very cute, or it could look very like obnoxious and stupid to do that, let's be honest, but we're just gonna go with it. It's the first time that we're doing this, so let's see how it goes. Talking about the actual outfit, like the cut of the outfit, I'll insert like a picture right here. This is what I have in mind, like in terms of like the patiala. I want to do a patiala and a short kurti, but then the kurti I want it to be sleeveless. I'm actually like still contemplating, do I want to do like sleeveless or like full sleeves or what, but I definitely do want to do like a patiala and like a short kurti. It's a very like 90s, not 90s, like early 2000s wala look. Like when I was younger, a lot of like Bollywood actresses would wear that, and I love how it looks. It's not very much in trend right now. Abhi in trend is like short kurti with like sharara pants, but I've already done that, so I don't want to do that again. I want to wear patiala pants and like a short kurti, and I don't want to do like I don't want to make like an outfit over the top. Like I don't want something super glam, something a little bit like Diwali appropriate and cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Eli Peri, which is in Andheri. It's next to the Gurudwara. I will obviously leave all the details in the description box below, all the addresses. So I'm gonna go there, pick out my kapda, and then wahan se I am going to VFast my tailor the outfit. So if you do want a good tailor recommendation in Mumbai, I'm gonna leave his contact and his information in the description box below. And he's very good at making your outfits like quickly. Like if you tell him मुझे 2 दिन में outfit चाहिए, वो बना के देगा. So definitely go contact him. He's pretty good. I made my birthday outfit with him as well. So that's basically all that I'm gonna do, and I'll check in with you guys at night. Actually, I'll give you some sneak peeks while I'm at the store. I'll show you क्या कपड़ा ले रही हूँ मैं. Why not? थोड़ा सा मैं दिखा देती हूँ. But पूरा outfit देखने के लिए you're gonna have to watch my Get Ready With Me. Okay, so these are the two. I really like this one for me. Maybe this one for mom. But this is very pretty. And then I also found a plain color का ये for dad. इसका अपन ने 5 लिया बराबर, और इसका 12 बराबर, ठीक है. Okay, so things did not go according to plan. I had told you that I wanted to wear like a dark blue, navy blue outfit. Couldn't find a kapda only which was navy blue color ka, and then on top of that ek tha jiska embroidery I did not like at all. It was very like sequency, and that was not the look that I was going for. So I switched the color altogether. I think you guys might have seen it in the previous clips. I went for this beautiful like periwinkle blue. I'm not too mad about it because it's a pretty color, but I feel like I'm very much like pastels are my comfort zone, you know. So I wanted to kind of push myself this Diwali to wear like a different color, but it's okay. I'm sure this outfit too is going to turn out really good. I've already VFasted my outfits to my tailor, so I'm hoping that she's going to be able to give it to me in the next 2 days so that I can film like a Get Ready With Me for you guys. But I think that's basically it. मेरा total हुआ था कुछ around 4,000 rupees, but bear in mind I did buy कपड़ा for my mom also and my dad also. So वो हिसाब से it costed me 4,000 rupees. The sequence वाला कपड़ा that I got, the periwinkle blue वाला, that one was for 725 rupees per meter, या फिर 795 rupees per meter. So it was expensive kapda. And then the satin one was for 90 rupees. So overall मेरा outfit I'll actually calculate and tell you guys in the Get Ready With Me only, because I need to like figure, because I'm like contemplating if I want to do like a trim of like some addition, like some, I don't know what to call it, like some dangling border or something like that. So I don't know क्या total आएगा मेरे पूरे outfit का by the end of it. I'll let you guys know. But that's basically it regarding my outfit from scratch. Other than that, I just want to tell you guys that I had one of the best days today. I went alone in the morning to like run a few errands to Juhu, after which I went to Andheri to Ellie Perry to get like my kapda and all of that sorted. After that on the way रास्ते पे चलते चलते मैंने एक वड़ा पाव वाले के यहाँ पे रुक के मैंने वड़ा पाव खाया. Then I did a little bit of street shopping on the streets of Manish Market. Should I actually do a haul? I got like 3 tops. I'll show you what I got. Okay, so this is what the first one looks like. It's very like blown out. Hold on. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty and like it's lacy. Then I got this scarf top. How cool. I love it. And then I got this really fun one. It has like a fur trim all over it. I have made like a DIY version of this in the past, but blue color ka fur milna thoda mushkil hai, so I thought I should pick it up. That's it for my haul, but the point of the whole thing being that I had a great day, mainly because pre-COVID I used to actually just go out on my own, and I used to love like spending time just by myself, go shopping, do whatever I wanted to do throughout the day. But I feel like post-COVID I have gotten a little bit dependent almost, wherein I feel like I need to have someone with me. I don't know why. Also, one more thing that happened very recently to me is about a week ago I was traveling by autos at night at like 11:30 at night. I was going I was coming back to the studio, or I was going home, something like that, and there were no rickshaws on the road, and that scared me. Like that made me feel so scared. So pre-COVID I used to go out in the rickshaw like till like 12:30 अकेले में जाती थी, और मुझे बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लगता क्योंकि रोड पे क्राउड हुआ करता था. एंड अभी एवरीथिंग हैज बिकम सो like dead almost, so it's been a little bit scary. वो चीज की वजह से थोड़ा सा डर बैठ गया था मेरे मन में, but I'm so glad that I was able to like push through that and actually go out, and I feel like I'm going to do more of that, just go out alone. It is a lot of fun. But I think that's it for my deep talks. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I need to figure out कि क्या क्या मेरा बाकी है, and then I'll come back and yeah, we'll get everything else done. Okay, so moving on to the next task now, which is cleaning basically, if you couldn't tell. Already my backdrop is very messy. Not just my backdrop, my entire living room. I'll show you what it looks like. So step 1 is going to be to clean the mess, and then we can move on to like the deep cleaning. Let me actually show you what it looks like. So this is what the living room looks like, especially this corner. Such a mess. So पहले cleaning करना है, like mess clear करना है, and then the deep cleaning. Okay, so checking in after exactly 1 day, I'm done with the cleaning, and most importantly I got done with the rearranging of the furniture. So I moved things around and just kind of freshened it up. So my nanny used to actually do this when I was younger. Right before Diwali she would do this, and the whole idea behind this is that it's our new year. Diwali is like a new year, right? So this is like a new fresh start, and it just makes like your living space a lot more fun to live in my opinion. So that's what I've done with my living room. If you want to see what it looked like before, I'm going to link my living room tour in the description box below. I mean, the key pieces are still in their original space, but thoda sa I have like spiced it up. Okay, so this is what the living space looks like. The sofa is very much in the same position. We just switched this up, this up, and also I got rid of the carpet यहाँ पे जो था. I just feel like it looks a lot bigger with this space. यहाँ का भी मैंने सब change कर दिया. So these used to hold all of my purses. I got rid of those, and I just have like cute things on here, and then most of these are DIYs right here. Mirror भी मैं बाहर ले आई. This was in the walk-in. I just got it in the living room just for funsies. So the corner space looks the same. I just switched it up with the trunk over there in the corner, and then this chair, and then like a side table right here. Pehle there was like a seating area here. So this is what it looks like. On this wall I am going to put these up. So basically ये वो fake गेंदे के फूल है जो all year round रहता है. I have a few. Shut up, don't interrupt me. Yeah, I have a few from last time also, and we bought a few more, and the plan is to just hang them like that.
They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair.
Okay, so this is the wall. This is what we've done. I think it looks really pretty. Looks very nice. शिखर यहाँ पे काम करने की acting कर रहा है. This is the iMac, by the way. I don't think you guys क्या I don't think you guys like saw it in the video. Like I haven't showed you in a vlog, I just showed you in one of my videos. But anyway, this is what the decor looks like so far. So in the beginning of the video I had mentioned that I am planning on throwing a Diwali party. So thoda sa decor I wanted to do for that. So step 1 is already done. We've already hung up the gende ke phool ke, whatever, you get the point. We've already done that. It looks beautiful already. As for the rest of the decor, I don't want to do too much. I found this really cute reference picture. I'll pop it up on the screen. So basically you can use any sort of glasses that you have at home, fill it up with water, just add a few rose petals or like whatever flowers ke petals, and then you can stick some tea light candles on top and it would look really cute. I feel like if you do like a few different glasses, different shapes and different sizes ke, and stick them all together, I think it would look really nice, and it would also make for a really cute centerpiece, like a center table ke beech mein if you put it, I think it would look really nice. So I think that's something that I can do. Other than that, I've ordered this like a curtain of fairy lights from Amazon. There's 1-day delivery available on it, so I'll leave a link in the description box below in case you want to get it. But I'm thinking jo curtains hai na yahan pe mere, uske curtains ke piche I'll put those lights, so it'll kind of illuminate through the curtains, and I think it'll look really nice, especially if you were to like switch off all the lights and just keep the yellow lights on. I think during the night it would look beautiful. So that's another thing that I'm gonna do. And again, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use a lot of gende ke phool or gajra also, but real ones this time, to kind of decorate the space. So I could just like lay it down in spaces. It'll make the room smell also very nice and very festive. So that's another thing that I'm gonna do. I do want to add a plug right here. So few years ago, jab Diwalog, I used to do Diwalog, tabhi I had made a DIY Diwali decor video, and I am really proud of that video. So go check it out if you're looking for more ideas. They're like really fun and really colorful, so you can check that out. Other than that, I've ordered this case. I don't know what it's called. Basically it just has those chips, वो coins होते हैं ना, जिससे you can play like 3 पत्ती या what is it called? Poker set. So we've called for a poker set also. I'll leave a link of that also in the description box below in case you want to get one for yourself. But I think that's basically it for my like Diwali party preparation. We'll just call in for food that day itself, and we're gonna keep it pretty chill. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that. We'll see, time will tell. But I think that's it to my Diwali preparation vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this very like impromptu video. I've been doing more of these, like mujhe on the spot idea aata hai and then I start filming. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll try to mention and like link everything that I've spoken about in today's video in the description box below. Till then, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!